guys? We're back here at the Pomona job site. Day 3 on the roof. First day was demo, remove all the old stuff, got it. Day 2, they laid out all the asphalt paper and got all the shingles on the roof. And today laying down. What time is it right now? We're at 10:30 actually. It's still early. You guys have been here for like maybe 2.5 hours. And we have just about, maybe we're almost at the halfway point, I want to say. All this side's already done. We just got to do this little section here. They're killing that section over there. So, yeah, I think it'll be wrapped up by today. We got the other guys downstairs finishing up the framing. Start working on all the electrical and the plumbing for all the walls we moved. Let's see what else are we gonna try to do. Oh, we get windows on Friday.
Okay.
We ordered windows last week, so hopefully if we get those on Friday, they can bang those out Friday, Saturday, and yeah. So overall, it'll be a pretty productive week. Yeah, it's looking like for sure we'll have the roof done this week.
Nice.
Most of the framing got finished this week. Some of the electrical and plumbing I think they'll run through this week. And if everything goes good, Friday, Saturday windows. So we'll do a little recap at the end of the week. But I see this week the roof got done, windows got installed.
It all got done pretty quick too.
It all got done pretty quick.
Yeah.
The first week was all demo. So mostly all demo in the first week. I think we started a little bit of framing on the last days of last week. But yeah, hopefully by this week we'll finish up all the framing. Get to finishing up the electrical and the plumbing, or at least get it started, get a good amount of it done. The roofing got done, or will get done, it's getting done. The windows, and yeah, then on to the next week. Yeah, maybe next week they'll finish all the plumbing and electrical. We can start looking into the drywall and plaster and all that good stuff. We actually bought the flooring already, so we have our vinyl planks already. So that's pretty nice. It's good when I go to stores to go get materials. If I see something else that's like maybe I'm not there yet, like for example the flooring, but I see a good deal on flooring, I'm like, you know what, let me just pay for it now, put it on will call, and even though we're maybe two weeks out from flooring, I'd rather just have it already and secure it, because sometimes they put a sale on a certain stock, and it's a good color, it's a good price, and it's a good material. You definitely want to secure it with flooring or anything along the line, anything along the project that you're gonna need. If you're out at the store and you see something that's a deal, I always say just get it and have it out the way.
Yep.
Yeah, so I feel like everything's moving along pretty fine. Oh, and actually, you know what? We might get AC, maybe not fully done, but it's gonna get started this week. I got the AC guy coming tomorrow. We had a few guys coming yesterday to finalize some quotes. Ended up going with a guy who did the last flip for me. He did San Bernardino. So he did some good work and gave us a fair price again, so we're gonna use him. Beautiful race truck. We are in Pomona, with a race truck, so we're gonna beautiful buy.
And they're gonna do like 5 AC units, you said, or a couple, like a bunch of small ones?
No, so I was thinking of maybe doing a mini split for the living room and the kitchen, and then doing a mini split for the master bedroom and maybe one for the second largest room. But the house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So if we went that route, we'd probably save about half the money from doing a central cooling system, central heating and cooling system. But it's not gonna be evenly distributed, You'll have AC in the living room, kitchen, the master, but some of the kids' rooms are gonna be a little iffy. So, I talked to my AC guy, and he knows the situation. It's like we can either go that route, or we could spend a little more and put the full system. So we're just gonna do that.
Full system,
that
okay.
way the whole house flows nice and even. And,
makes sense, yeah.
I think it'll be a better selling point.
Yeah.
It's one of those things I try to decide, like, is it worth investing the money into it? And I check out other people who flip homes and go check out their homes and their projects, and it's a 50-50. Some guys spend the money on the AC, some guys don't. Some people feel you get it back, some people don't. So far, I've seen that it works. It's a good selling point. So as long as I can get the system for a pretty decent price, I'm willing to invest it and just sell the house a lot more presentable. I think that's one of the biggest things. Even in Cali, I mean, it's hot.
Yeah, you need it.
Yeah,
for
other
sure.
states you need it, but right here, maybe
It's a deal breaker for some people. So
yeah. There's still a lot of people that are okay without, but the majority of us, we got used to the AC, so
oh yeah,
I think it's worth doing. Yeah, so that should be good. Hopefully we get that done this week too, or at least started. And yeah, I feel like we're moving along pretty good for week 2. And yeah, I mean, I'm estimating 6 weeks total. Maybe some of the detail work starts kind of slowing us down, but as of right now, I feel like we're progressing pretty fast. Oh, we actually we demoed out the whole garage yesterday. So I don't know if you remember.
Oh, nice, yeah.
This big old garage that was there. We were trying to see if we could save it, but nah, man, that thing had too much rotted wood. Wouldn't have been worth it. So we started tearing apart some of it, and it ended up all coming down. Oh, actually, Peter's calling. See if we're gonna go to that Huntington Beach house.
Yeah.
Take his call real quick. What's up, Peter?
What's up?
No,
Nah, she didn't answer.
We're at the Pomona house getting some footage of the roof, and then he's gonna try to call her again.
Yeah, I'll call her again in like 5 minutes.
But it's up to you. We'd kind of just risk going out there and not getting an answer, but
I think something's up with her phone.
yeah, maybe just something's
Like-
up with the phone.
Cause she sounds legit for sure, you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, and the guy who sent it to me, I mean, she did try to get a mortgage on it, so she's a real
Yeah.
person. She's legit. So
Yeah.
maybe just something.
And
with
even
the
she even said the first day when she texted me, she was like, just come by anytime.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So she's home probably.
Yeah, she's home.
okay.
So
It's up to you. I got a buddy that's gonna be out there. They said he, want to meet up for lunch and stuff. So worst case scenario, we tried to work, but we ended up at the beach having lunch, and that's it.
We'll get a video out of it too.
We'll get a video out of lunch,
Okay.
So.
Anything lunch on Jose? All right.
Oh man, my credit cards are maxed out here, bro.
All right.
Cool.
Yeah, what time do you want to leave?
We should probably leave now. We're pretty much done here, so I'm just gonna. I think that's good.
Pretty solid. That roof looks good over there.